The materials needed. First, we needed a 1.5 or 2 liters of Coke. Then, a paper roll and a flat surface card. Lastly, a Mentos. Now, we're gonna do a Mentos-Cola experiment. Let's go! First up, let's get 5 to 7 pieces of our Mentos. After collecting all of the Mentos that we needed, let's stack them or let's put them inside our paper roll. Make sure to place the soda bottle in an area where it can get dirty. Then, let's open the soda. Let's place the card over the bottle opening. On top of that, let's place the paper roll with the stack of Mentos inside it. Always remember to watch out and be prepared. The eruption happens quickly, so get back up fast. And then, carefully, let's pull the card away and let the Mentos drop inside the bottle of soda. Let's look at what happened to our soda after that amazing eruption. Wow! Look at how much soda got blown by from that eruption. The eruption is like a volcano, and it is really amazing. And there you have it. Our Mentos-Cola experiment is now completed. Thank you so much for watching.